स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome you all in today's video. So if you talk about the law entrance exams, then there are various law entrances. You are already aware about that. They are match law, CET, SLAT, the ILAT, DULLB, BHU law and etc. But guys, if you wanna enter into national law universities, then you have to crack the CLAT. That is nothing but the common law admission test. So guys, in today's video we'll talk about the reservation policy, how many percentage of reservation is applicable to each particular categories. So guys, stay tuned. So the CLAT common law admission test, which is accepted by these all 22 national law universities. So guys, each NLU has separate CLAT reservation policies. If we talk about the Bangalore, then there is different. With respect to the Hyderabad, then there is different. For SC and ST, there is different percentage in Bhopal, and if we consider in Mumbai and Nagpur, then it is different. So guys, we'll talk in detail about what is the common reservation criteria with respect to all these national universities. So those who have not started the preparation yet, the batches are already launched. You can join the batches and can interact live with us. So guys, for enrollment you can call on our board line number. So very first one, the reservation policy for all NLUs. So the percentage of reservation in NLUs depends on how and when the respective state choose to implement it. So the NLUs grant reservation of seats for the candidates who are falling under the various categories. So each NLU has the separate CLAT reservation policy, right? And if you talk about the common reservation policy, then friends, most of the NLUs has the reservation criteria same for SC and ST. So for ST, it has the 15% reservation criteria, while for ST it has 7.5. Although it is not same with respect to each particular NLUs, but yes, most of the NLUs has this criteria, except Bhopal and Jabalpur. So if you talk about these two, here for SC there is 16% reservation criteria, while for ST it has 20%. And if you talk about the OBC, then 14%. Now if you talk about the NLU Nalsar, then the SC and ST has the same percentage, while for OBC in Nalsar it has 29% reservation criteria, the candidates belonging to Telangana only. So guys, before filling to the actual application form, must visit official website of your preferred NLU, because friends, some of the notification are recently come with respect to the Mumbai University. They have started the EWS candidate reservation. Okay, with respect to the Nagpur University, they have started to give the reservation for socially and educationally backward classes, that means for SEBC. So guys, some of the notification are came, so must go through the website. So some of the reservation criteria are which are followed by each particular NLUs. So very first one, the 5% seats are reserved for the specially abled person, or you can also say that the PWD candidates who has not less than 40% benchmark disability. So it is quite same with respect to each NLUs except I think Haryana. Okay, in Haryana it has 3% reservation criteria for PWD candidates. The next one, the 5% seats are reserved for the son or daughters of or the children of defense service personnel. So this criteria is same in all NLUs. The next one, the reservation for female candidate. Each and every institute follows these 30% seats of the total sanction intake of an institute. So 30% seats are reserved for the female candidates. The next one, for foreign nationals. So some of institute has the reservation criteria for foreign students, that is of 15%. Some of have the supernumerary seats. So if you are a foreign candidate, NRI, PIO, OCI and from Gulf countries, then you must visit the official website of your preferred NLUs. Now if you talk about the reservation criteria for Mumbai, Nagpur and Aurangabad, so these are within the Maharashtra state. So the reservation criteria is same for all these. The very first one, the scheduled caste and scheduled caste converts to Buddhism, they have 30% reservation. Scheduled tribes has 7% of reservation criteria. The Vimukta Jati, denotified tribes or NTA, 3%. Nomadic tribes 1, that is NTP, 2.5%. NTC, 3.5%. and NTD, 2%. Now it also added the specially backward class, SBC, 2%. For other backward classes, 19%. And recently the notification also came with respect to the EWS, that is for economical weaker section candidates, and for those it has the 10% reservation criteria. Now recently the notification came with respect to the Nagpur, and it is about the SEBC, that is nothing but the socially and educationally backward classes. So it has been added for both UG and PG programs, and note that this category is applicable for students with Maharashtra domicile only. Okay guys, not for all India candidates, only for Maharashtra state candidates. So each state has the different reservation criteria. Some of have 25% of reservation for their domicile. So guys, this is all from the today's video, all about the reservation policy with respect to the CLAT 2021. So the notification came with respect to the EWS and SABC with respect to annual leaves within the Maharashtra. So those candidates who have already filled up their form can go to the edit option and can edit their categories. So guys, this is all from the today's video. Be connected with us to get each and every updates with respect to the CLAT 2021. So guys, if you want a preparation for 2021 and even for 2022, you can join our online programs. If you want to interact live with us, you will get access for book, mock test, sectional and full course. So call on 8828581455 or you can visit at manoeuvreedu.com/law entrance. So this link I also mentioned in the description. You can check the description. And if you want to join our classroom preparations, then you can join at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.